The first question is, have you traveled a lot by plane? Here's a sample answer if you want to say yes. Oh, absolutely. I've flown quite a bit for both work and leisure. I love how convenient air travel is. It's like a breeze compared to long road trips and train rides. Plus, I've racked up so many frequent flyer miles that I usually get perks like upgrades or lounge access. Another sample answer for the same question? Not really. I've always preferred to travel by train or car since I'm a bit of a homebody. I find plane travel a bit of a hassle. What with all the security checks and waiting around at the airport? It just does not appeal to me as much. Another sample answer for the same question. If you want to say no, but then say that I want to. I've always wanted to travel by plane, but I just haven't had the chance yet. Since I'm still in school and dependent on my parents, we usually stick to road trips for vacations. Flying seems exciting though, and I can't wait to experience it once I start traveling on my own. Next question. Why do you think some people enjoy traveling on plane? Sample answer. I think some people really enjoy traveling by plane because it's quick and hassle-free compared to other modes of transportation. Plus, there's something exhilarating about being up in the clouds, soaring above the world. It's a completely different perspective. For some, the whole experience from boarding to landing feels like an adventure. Another sample answer for the same question. Well, for some people, air travel is a luxury. They love the whole idea of being pampered with in-flight services like meals and entertainment. And for those who travel for business, the convenience of getting to far-off places in just a few hours is a huge plus. It's also the fastest way to cover long distances, which can be a big draw. Another sample answer for the same question. If you want to say, I don't know why people enjoy traveling because I don't like it. Here's what you can say. Honestly, it beats me why some people enjoy flying because I'm not a fan at all. I find it cramped and uncomfortable, especially on long haul flights. But I guess for some, the thrill of flying or the convenience of getting somewhere fast might outweigh the downsides. For me, though, it's more of a necessary evil than something to enjoy. Next question. Would you like to live near an airport? Sample answer if you want to say yes. To be honest, I wouldn't mind living near an airport. It would be super convenient for traveling, especially if I have to catch early morning or late night flights. Plus, I think I'd get used to the noise after a while. And the benefits of easy access to flights would definitely outweigh any drawbacks. Another sample answer to the same question if you want to say no. Oh, absolutely not. I value peace and quiet, and living near an airport would mean constant noise from planes taking off and landing. It would be hard to relax with all the commotion. I'd much rather live somewhere tranquil, far from all that hustle and bustle. Another sample answer for the same question. Well, it depends. If I traveled a lot for work or had family living far away, living near an airport could be a real time saver. But on the other hand, if I didn't need to fly often, I think the constant noise and traffic would drive me up the wall. It really boils down to how much I'd use the airport. A lot is hanging in my life right now. I'm kind of at a crossroads. So let's see where things go. Another sample answer for the same question if you want to say, I live near the airport. Actually, I do live near an airport, and while the noise can be a bit annoying at times, you get used to it surprisingly fast. The convenience of being able to reach the airport in minutes is a huge plus, especially when I have to travel. Also, the area around airports tend to be well developed with good transport links, which is a bonus. Next question. In the future, do you think that you will travel by plane more often? Sample answer if you want to say yes. I definitely think I'll be traveling by plane more often in the future. With the world becoming more globalized, there are so many opportunities to explore new places or even work abroad. Plus, as flights become more affordable, it's much easier to just hop on a plane for a quick getaway. Another sample answer for the same question if you want to say no. Honestly, I don't think I'll be flying much more in the future. With the rise of remote work and virtual meetings, there's less need to travel long distances for business. Plus, I'm trying to reduce my carbon footprint, and flying less is one way to be more eco-friendly. Another sample answer for the same question. Well, it depends. If my career takes me in a direction that requires a lot of travel, I'll likely be on planes more often. However, if I end up working locally or remotely, then I might not need to fly that much. It also depends on whether flight prices remain affordable or if environmental concerns push people to travel less. That's all for today. I hope these sample answers and vocabulary help you prepare for your IELTS speaking test. Don't forget to practice and remember that using a variety of vocabulary can really make your answers stand out. Thanks for watching and all the very best.